Hey there, Tina here. Today I'm going to show you, we're going to put some new shocks on Mom's Jeep, and my sister is going to show me how to do this. So I've never done this before. Here's the new shocks we're putting on today. I don't think they're anything fancy, but they'll do the job. So first we got to take out the alternator, and then we're going to jump start the carburetor.
Sounds like a play.
First things first, got to remove the tire.
Well, actually, we got to jack it. Yeah, but you want to loosen your lugs first before you jack it. And loosen them first because it's on the ground. It has friction with the ground, so it's not going to turn while you're trying to.
Okay. Star pattern.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Try pulling up. Use your legs, like so. Same bite. Bring it up just a little bit, like this.
Oh.
And then, squat. There you go.
Oh yeah, okay. Was that loose enough on all of them?
Yeah.
Okay, so we should go from that front part over there?
Yeah, it's easier from the front. You got a lot more clearance. So you got to put that on the block. On the axle. Keep going further. There you go.
Is it already?
Yeah, if it can't go any more to the right, then it's tight. Make sure on the block straight. Yeah, we can get the tire off now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's up off the ground far enough.
Okay.
Try to put it right underneath the pumpkin, the front differential.
Okay.
Yeah. Hold it. Lift that arm.
No, what the fuck?
Lift that arm up and watch your fingers. Yeah.
Gotta be on the solid arm itself because it'll slip anyplace else.
Is it up?
Yeah.
It's caught. Just make sure it's kind of give it a little jiggle. Okay. Put it down on the ground. Just go slow. Go. Now bottom was a 14, my bad, and on top was a 13. So that's gonna hold your nut.
So this is the bottom.
Mm-hmm. You can use a ratchet.
The
Since it's on the
outside?
edge, make sure it's flip your ratchet
Oh yeah,
the other direction. There you go. There you go.
Slips right off here.
Yeah. Nope. Just don't lose your nut.
Don't lose your nut.
Kind of almost comes in at an angle, but you don't want to like strip it. So you want to make sure you got to get a nice good bite on it.
Okay.
Here, I'll angle this guy. That way you only got to worry about one.
And were you ever able to get it completely flat?
Not completely, no. Just real slow. Well, if we get the front ones finished today, we can get the back ones finished tomorrow. Yep, I got it. Got it!
Nice.
Oh yeah. Alright, we have 2 wrenches for the top one. Oh, I gotta bust my knuckle. Here, you want me to finish it? Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's like my grass lever.
Nice. Bam!
Watch it grow right in front of your eyes.
Go, go, go! Nice. Oh. Thin washer.
You're supposed to be doing this.
It's okay.
Hi, Barbara. Hi, buddy boy. Yeah.
Putting these guys back on there.
Come here, bud.
In between the legs.
Mm-hmm. You stay over here. Yeah?
Way easier.
Good leg. Nice and slow. I know. There you go.
Yes. Alright, and we're back. Today we're doing the back shocks. We got Lily here again, obviously. She was just telling me it's maybe a little easier to get to in some aspects.
We got one bottom bolt.
One bottom bolt.
And then you got the two that were on the bottom on the front are hidden up top.
She's already got it jacked up and the tire off.
You're coming in off. So lefty loosey. So whatever you gotta do, we can move it. So that's your this is your nut and this is your bolt head over here. So remember you gotta go lefty loosey, right?
Yeah.
So which way is gonna be the easier way? Which way are you gonna have more power to move things?
Well, not like this.
Okay. So what you can do is wedge this guy up against something that's going to go against your turning. So you know the nut's going to want to go this way because you're bringing it out, right?
Yeah.
So you can kind of push level, wedge him up here.
Okay.
Like this, and that way your other hand is free to use for torque to get that side loose.
So this is going to be your holding side.
Yeah. So remember, you're going to push that away from you. Not working? All right, let's switch them around. So then we'll put this side as the keep tight side. But you might have a little more leverage on this one. Hang on, push it all the way. There you go. Keep it straight. 90-degree angle. There you go. Go lower. Don't go high. Don't go low.
Wait.
You want your force down here.
Okay. Dude.
Dude.
What the fuck?
Here, let me try.
An impact wrench would be so nice right now.
Here we go. Oh, that's not too crazy. At least on this side. Not really.
Nice.
Right, we said to put this back, and then this guy, since it's open-ended, it'll slide in there, and then your hard one's already done threaded in there, so all you gotta do is put your easy one in.
Oh, damn.
So, I'm jacking up this guy to get that guy over there.
Oh, no, not high enough.
So now we just slice and dice.
Yep.
Is this thing gonna shoot out really fast?
It should. Don't be scared of it. Just cut it. Quick, got it in there. Got it in there. Hurry, hurry, fast, fast.
What?
Hurry, hurry.
No!
Oh my god. Here, I'm gonna give you the bolt. And I'm gonna start jacking it up.
Okay.
And when it gets close, try to start lining it up.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Okay. There you go. Just wiggle it.
Okay.
Here is. And kind of get as close as you can. And using like a rowing motion.
Like pulling this way?
Yeah.
Yeah!
There you go.
Oh, that was good. Okay.
Oh no. Put mine. Okay. Alright. You see them up in there?
Yeah.
The gas tank's going to be in your way. But you don't have the exhaust, so you should have a lot more room playing over here.
Okay.
And just make sure you get them on there straight. There you go.
Yeah.
My forearms.
You know, hand tightening bolts on a car makes me so nervous. I just feel like people are gonna fly off the road. I'm gonna put this guy and thread it through all the way. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, try pushing that up. Use your muscles. Okay.
No! Okay. Or maybe I can go from that other angle again.
Oh, sorry, Bryson. Did you get my face? My hoof? Did you get it all the way through?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
This is a screwdriver. It's a Phillips.
What'd you do, buddy boy?
Alright, we just gotta put the tire back on. Alright, that's a wrap. We got those new shocks on there. They're looking good. Looking good. Alright guys, that's it for putting the shocks on Mom's Jeep. Thank you, Lily.
Oh, you're welcome.
Showing me how to do this.
That's fine.
Being patient. Yeah. Hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.
Yeah, they're in his drawer. They're in the drawer. I mean, it's a wolf spider. It's not like it's one of the bad guys, but I don't want him going my way.
Cool, look at him.
Where'd he go? Do you see him still?
No. I hope you guys like.
Living in an RV park?
Yeah, literally. All the time. Every time
Wait.
I'm trying to film a video.
Bryson, don't eat that.
I did stuff. I'm gonna jump start the carburetor. Okay?
Sounds like a plan. What? I'll put them together now. Just did. Carburetor.
Okay, Lils, what are we gonna need for this project?
So, a standard, you know, socket set will pretty much help you out. We're going to be using mostly a 3/4 or a 3/8 drive. You're going to need a 13mm, 14mm, 15. You can have a box or sockets, but you will need a 13, 14, 15, and then you're also going to need an 18 for the back shocks. We used a small 3/8 breaker because in the front shock area, you guys are going to find that it is very small space to maneuver, and you're not going to be able to get, including extensions, it's not going to fit very well. So we found that this worked out really good. And then a couple different ratchets for areas that, you know, if your arms get tired or when you're trying to break loose a couple of the bolts. Some good comfortable grips works out good. And then this is your standard basic 3/8, another 3/8 drive. You might need, if you got some more extensions, this is what I was limited to, but if you have another extra extension, it would be super helpful. And then a box or bag of just a numerous contortion of tools, because you never know what you might need out of there, like, you know, another good size ratchet,
Yeah, we
or
used a screwdriver a couple times, I
or
think.
a good one of these,
Yeah.
you know, so you might need to whack somebody over the head or something. It was just a basic breaker bar. It's a 1/2 inch drive with a 3/4 inch socket for the lug nuts. You're gonna need jack stands and a good jack. Those work for what they needed to, but if you got some better stands and a jack and some blocks, you're good to go.
Cool. All right. Thanks, Lil.
Hey.